Welcome back to my channel. Today I think it should be fun, but I'm gonna do a get ready with me. So I'm gonna do my makeup and talk through it as normal. And the theme for today is like a gold/red date night look. And because of this thing called social distancing, we're going to go to my favorite restaurants. It's 14 steps down the stairs to the fridge. Let's go. Keep everything organized. I use this humongous shelf. Over here would be makeup palettes, powders, cream eyeshadows and smaller eyeshadow palettes, all my primers, and this is my reminder daily, from lipsticks to face stuff, foundation and mascaras and brushes and all of that good stuff. I posted like that thing on Instagram, like ask me questions, and I don't know why I expected serious questions, so I will display them, but I'm probably not going to answer them. We'll do our own version. So my sleep schedule has been really off, so my face looks like somebody beats me in my sleep, which is probably true. So because I have oily skin, I'm gonna start with a matte primer, which is just gonna like control the oil and stuff. So I'm just gonna apply that to my face. There was this innuendo, what's that thing called? Innuendo that just popped into my head, eh? But that take control. So my favorite question was from my favorite hater, and I'll display it after this. She asked me, did I do my homework? The answer, auntie, is no. Yes, because in this life, you can't come and kill yourself. You can't. My next question, somebody asked me, why I'm so fine, which honestly, thank you, because I don't even consider myself like when I think of fine people. So I feel really like humbled and blessed that you consider me fine in your eyes. Thank you. What am I doing to this thing called eyebrows? Okay. I think we're moving. For foundation, I'll be using L'Oreal True Match in Cocoa Brown. It's the sunscreen one, the healthy skin one tint, eh? So next, my favorite hater told me to go and sleep. So after this, I will listen and I will go and do that. And if you want, you can also sing to me a lullaby. Yes. Ajay, trust the process. Trust me. Trust the process. Do I have an extra backpack of energy? Yeah, you can come and get some. Maybe if I give you some of my energy, then I can go to bed before 4 a.m. But on a serious note though, when God was deciding how much energy to give me and my energy levels, he started off like this. And he was just like, oh, she's the last born. Her mom already had all her children. Let's just, ooh! That's why my energy is through the roof. Yes. So, if you want some, you can ask the father. Or like I always say, you can come and take mine. I have plenty, see, plenty. Yeah. But since you guys won't ask me the proper questions, I'll ask myself. Hey girl, what's your favorite color? Oh, well, I like gray. Yes. Gray is my favorite color. I love gray, but my favorite color combination is burgundy and gold. That's what's up. I think my nose is missing. Yeah. Yeah. That's what we talking about. See, I look human now. Yeah, I don't look like anybody beats me. Yeah. You just wait. You just wait. Hot girl quarantine. Social distancing loading. Loading. I don't know where that came from. So I literally just did a 2 shadow step, but if you are going for a more bolder look, you can add a little bit of like black to your ends and you will look, you will pop yourself. Pop. So I just used Temperature and Diva. Temperature is the brown one and Diva is right next to it. And even though my skin is a little bit oily, I'm just gonna go in with the Luminous setting spray. Ajay, don't forget this part. Just grab anything around you and just, yeah. See, this is how the royal people back in the day, they were being fun. And people would bring to them fruit on a platter. I just need somebody to bring me fruits. Now, aunties and uncles, go in with your favorite highlighter, eyeliner, and mascara. One thing that we never talk about is the faces you make when you do your lower lash. Like, what is this? Am I a monkey? But because of mascara, I have pretend Addy. Oh. You know what? Forget this mascara thing. Me here. Please, my ladies, I beg, be careful when you highlight. You don't want to be looking like a golden statue. It's 2020. Let's stop that madness thing. Thank you for the grand finale. I don't know what that thing is called. But whatever that thing is. Ade! Wait. This is not the right kind of red. I'll be back. What I do to fix my mistake is I lined my lips with a brown liner, and I'm gonna go in with another red. So because I wore this red peplum from my closet and it had this little like chain thing, I decided to go for a dramatic look with gold hoops. Never go wrong. Yes, and I got my jeans from Forever 21 on sale. We are almost done. Just one more thing is missing. Hold on. This sweater to complete the look. Though it may not completely match, you can try and make it work because we want to keep ourselves warm. You know, it's March ending of 2020. No time to be catching Auntie Coro. No time to be catching feelings. So wear it. Just to go to the store. That's what's up. That's what's up. Thank you guys for joining in on getting ready with me, and as I answered those questions that I couldn't even answer them, but yeah, as normal, you know the drill. Like and subscribe and all those stuff, and actually talk to me, because yeah, that's cool.